spices that will help make you well. Basil can help fight infection and boost immunity. Basil, particularly sweet basil, is a fragrant herb widely used in many culinary traditions around the world, notably in Italian and Southeast Asian cuisines. Beyond its culinary appeal, basil offers a variety of health benefits, including its ability to fight infections and boost immunity. Health benefits of basil. 1. Antimicrobial properties. Basil contains compounds like eugenol, linalool, and citronellol, which have potent antimicrobial properties. These compounds can help inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, effectively fighting infections. 2. Boosts immunity. The essential oils in basil are rich in antioxidants, which protect the body against oxidative stress and help bolster the immune system. Basil also contains vitamin A and vitamin C, both known to enhance immune response. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Basil can help reduce inflammation due to its oil content, including eugenol, which may help lower the risk of inflammatory diseases such as heart disease or arthritis. 4. Reduces stress. Adaptogenic properties are found in basil, particularly in holy basil or tulsi, which help combat stress and promote mental balance. This type of basil is often used in Ayurvedic medicine to improve mental clarity and alleviate stress-related conditions. 5. Supports digestive health. Basil can soothe stomach upsets and reduce bloating. It's also used in traditional medicine to treat acid reflux, loss of appetite, and intestinal infections. How to use basil. Culinary uses. Fresh or dried basil leaves are used to flavor various dishes, including soups, salads, sauces, and pizzas. Basil is a key ingredient in pesto, a sauce made from basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and olive oil. Tea. Basil leaves can be steeped in hot water to make a soothing herbal tea. This tea is beneficial for digestion and reducing stress. Supplements. Basil is available in supplement form, often as holy basil or tulsi, used for its adaptogenic and anti-stress benefits. Essential oil. Basil essential oil can be used for aromatherapy, applied topically when diluted, or added to bathwater for its stress-relieving and antimicrobial effects. Considerations. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to basil. Symptoms can include skin reactions or more severe responses if consumed. Pregnancy and nursing. While culinary amounts of basil are generally safe, the use of medicinal amounts of basil, such as in supplements or essential oils, should be approached with caution during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Medication interactions. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, basil might interact with anti-inflammatory and pain medications. Basil not only enhances the flavor of a meal, but also contributes significantly to health and wellness, providing benefits from enhancing immune function to fighting off infections. Whether used in cooking, as a herbal tea, or in a more concentrated form like supplements or essential oils, basil can be a beneficial addition to your health regimen. However, as with any herb, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment, especially if pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the good life with spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites at www.orangeblackmuseum.com and www.orangebooks.com.